Hey, so I want to walk you through a way you can set up a lead pipeline for your freelance agency business. So the way I do it is I have a to-do list in Basecamp that I can check once a day, and it automatically sorts through thousands of different websites for potential projects for me. The best part is everything that's in it is hyper relevant to the work I do and the type of projects I'm looking for. So the way you get this set up is you go to a job site, you get the RSS feed for that job site. Then you're going to want to bring it into a RSS reader. And the one I really like is Feedbin. Once you have your list of hundreds of different job sites in here, you're going to want to remove all of the full-time work because those aren't the bulk of these are actually full-time jobs, and I'm not looking for a full-time gig. I'm looking for a freelance gig or an agency project-based gig. And so the way you do that with Feedbin, it's really easy, is you can go down here to actions. So what this lets you do is set up custom actions for different feeds, and you can set up different rules basically that will filter out jobs that are not worthy. So here's one I have set up for We Work Remotely. And what it's saying is any job that has contract, freelance, or project in the name or in the job, I'm going to star it. And so what Feedbin does with that is it creates a custom starred feed that you can use all of the rules and just output the stuff that's really super relevant to you. Then with a Zapier Zap, you can tell it to look at this RSS feed and create a new to-do in your Basecamp account. Using fetchrss.com, you can even do other websites that you wouldn't typically associate to RSS, like Google searches or Facebook and Twitter. And so it actually can be like a very powerful RSS-based lead generation tool. And again, what's great about putting them into Basecamp is other people can work with you on it. And you can kind of create a to-do to check off, and it really helps to have it all here in one place. Feedbin is great for automating and setting up the rules, but if I had to have multiple people working in here, it would get tough very quickly. And just with the sheer number of jobs that would be in Feedbin, it's not really an ideal place to have to set up a workflow. So that's why you need the second app, Basecamp. Now, altogether, Zapier, FetchRSS, Feedbin, and Basecamp, they'll run you a couple $100 a month, but I think it's totally worth it. But compare it to the amount of time you're saving. So going to hundreds of individual job sites takes hours of time, and this is a way to really cut down on that. I also have a site called Workshop at letsworkshop.com that will send you all of these different leads that I collect from all over the web into one daily email that you can just respond and get work from. So it's really a huge ROI. And I find like the background information, like email and the right contact person to hit up right there in the email for you. So check that out.